Somebody land something. Hey guys, welcome to Debauchery and Merriment. I am Dave, and if you're a skater in Hurricane, you know that there hasn't been anything for us to skate here since the dawn of time. Well, the city of Hurricane just purchased these really expensive things that are like kind of mid-core range to skate. They're really fun. They're not like super crazy, but it's a really nice spot to come and kick back on and shred the gnar. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a little tour of the small little skate park Hurricane's given us. Really excited about it. I really like it. It's really fun. It's not much, but it's awesome. And then we've been skating since this morning. Honestly, I just couldn't wait to film. I just wanted to get to skating, so I've already been skating for a little bit. We had Willow out here trying to pop shove it. We had Tyler. We got some guy whose name starts with a P. Some badass people out here. Been shredding. But let's take a walk through the park. I think I started off on this couch, which is my favorite part. Enjoyed by skaters and scooter riders alike. It's like a, you know, best of both worlds, you know, because scooter riders treat this shit like a couch in the first place, and now it really is one. It's really slick, really fun. This is probably my favorite thing. This is fun to do. Like, I'm not exactly sure what this is supposed to be, but you can do like board slides and lip slides on it. It's pretty awesome as well. And then this thing is fun as well. Like, I don't know what the hell this is called. We ollie up it, you do your lip trick, and come back down. If you ever see anyone transfer down this, that'd be badass, but I'm not gonna do it because I'm a complete pussy. But I'll caveman it maybe. And then right here, we got this curb that's actually like got like a metal surface on it. To wax it up, it's just more effective. It's like a more effective curb. It's badass. Curb jam. Anybody? I don't know what the fuck this is supposed to be, but it's badass too. You can manually, you can 50 it, just ride on it. It's pretty cool. And then there's this one. Everyone else has a solid idea of how to skate. I hope that pops up in there because that was cool as shit. Everyone else knows how to skate. I don't know much about it. I suck at it, but it's badass. It's a snap board. These guys are wild, and this place is fun. Oh, I guess we forgot about the pump track, but I don't think anyone really skates that. I don't, but this place is badass. Hurricane finally did something for skaters. Now, let's just, if you're in Hurricane and you skate, just try to keep this place cleaned up, because already the guy was like threatening to take this shit away if we didn't clean it up, and it's like, bruh. But, all right, let's do our part. Let's keep it clean so we can keep on shredding the gnar. Much love, everybody. Oh shit, and I missed it. I know, dude, I'm so sorry. Dude just rolled his ankle on that fucking thing just now. I'm so sorry, man. Oh, but we got the trick. And we got the fucking fucked up. God damn. That would be too gnarly.
Spine transfer real quick.
That thing you did last time, do it again. Look, man, commitment sucks.
Give me the blessing of Dave. Give me your blessing.
Well, I don't got shit, dude. I'm powerless.
Take it.
Okay.
Oh my god, really?
I'm a fucking hippie that hasn't taken a bath since 2 days ago. The only thing I could possibly give you is a hangover.
I'll take what I can get.
Okay. We'll just cut the other one and make it look like you landed it.
My bad, dog.
Bet you $5 will last one more try.
One more? Ooh, that's a shinner. That's a shinner.
That looked like it sucked.
Too bad.
I'm so sorry.
Didn't feel like cupcakes and rainbows.
What would cupcakes and rainbows feel like?
Why?
Huh?
Neither do I.
Nice. Barely got that.
Maybe hanging on.
Counts. This guy's pretty cool. It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
I forgot his name.
It's okay, it's Parker.
Oh, it's Parker. Feeling the pressure too hard, man. Just skate. I literally saw you do that, no problem, like 10 times in a row. Nice. Keep in mind, the camera is not an audience watching until it's published. It's literally just us. Like, this isn't even real. See, there we go. I feel like a lot of skaters, including myself, get way too stressed out being filmed.
Yeah, it's like, it's not that. I just feel like my fucking.
It's the pressure because...
Like it's taking so much time. Like,
Yeah, true. And then it's like also the pressure aside from that. It's like...
true.
Because like, when do you get the opportunity to get filmed? It's not that frequent.
Yeah, never.
So you're just like... Those are some sick titties, friend.
Hell yeah.
That was porn.
That was porn.
Yeah. I came. That is the first time I've ever that is the first time I can't speak English. I've ever seen anyone get stuck on that slick couch. Well, that was sexy. Counts. Dude, it don't matter.
Silly boy, tricks are for kids.
I'll you what the fuck I want.
Fuck, let's get it. Fuck yeah.
Oh shit, thank you. Love you guys. I'm not gonna do anything cool.
Oh! Damn.
Did it.
Yeah.
those woolies for a second.
Yeah! Nice one, Kyler.
I tried doing like a hella high elevator.
It happens. I would never pop shove down some because I don't have enough control over them, so.
I'm close though.
Yeah, dude. Somebody land something. Nice. Yeah. Nice.
We're getting there. We're getting there.
Damn. Now the city be like, we built this whole ass like skate area and they're just skating the 3-stair. Damn, dude, like I'd almost count that. Yes.
That's high as fuck, Kyler.
I know, but
He's focused more on height than he is about speed, because like, look how fucking ghetto this is. Like, that will catch you. This is technically a 4-stair. So that's just what you gotta clear.
Ooh, come on.
Oh my nose. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're into that sort of thing. I definitely appreciate it. So in regards to cleaning up the trash, definitely always clean up the trash no matter where you're at. Because, you know, littering's not cool.
Wear a mask.
Yeah, wear a mask too in public. And Black Lives Matter, don't forget that. And the guy in Hurricane that was threatening to take away the skate ramps already, like, it's not like there was a ridiculous amount of trash on there. He picked up 2 twigs, not even real trash. He just picked up like 2 items and then tossed in the garbage and then made a huge deal about how, like, we're just trashing the spot. And it's like, dude, I understand we got to keep it clean, but don't be a Nazi about it either. Like, I mean, but yes, we got to keep it as spotless as possible, because I mean, myself and other skaters around here definitely want these ramps to stay. And as you guys saw, Will was trying to do a pop shove and landed flat on his ass in one of them. That shit looked like it hurt. I do not envy him. Anyways, he went back and got the clip. And, I mean, it's not the greatest film quality, but are you going to really bitch about it? Because the dude landed the pop shove. And that is crazy. And I respect it. And you guys have a great day.